my loves, I am back to vlogging. It's been a hot minute. I do not even know when the last time I vlogged was because I just cannot recall when I last vlogged. Life has been incredibly busy lately and just doing up the apartment and just life in general. My poor daddy was in hospital. I just had so much going on that I wasn't available to be vlogging. But I am back in action and I'm getting my hair done this morning. I'm getting my hair dyed, which I am thrilled about, as you can imagine, because these roots, they ain't cute. They're not cute, girl. I'm in very good form this morning, despite the fact that I only got about 3 hours sleep last night, so I'm possibly overtired, and that may be the reason why, let's move that camera down a bit, that may be the reason why I am overactively energetic this morning. I don't know why my camera is acting funny. I feel like I'm constantly cutting the top of my head off. Yesterday I had a lovely day with my boo. We went for breakfast. I got eggs Benedict and then we shared pancakes. It was delish. And then what else did we do yesterday? Oh, went and picked our carpets out, which are going to be getting fitted in a couple of weeks time. And guys, the super exciting news is I am going to be moving into the apartment in 3 to 4 weeks, which is just amazing because it feels like, I don't know, obviously you watching this, you're probably like, oh, but you've been talking about moving into that apartment for ages. But it actually feels like genuine time, 2 months. It actually feels like it's been forever and ever since we last decided, or since we decided we were going to move into this apartment and started doing it up. So much has been done since I last vlogged. My mosaic is finished, the bathroom's pretty much done. I just need a curtain or a shower curtain pole. What else has been done? The kitchen has been stripped, the floors have been stripped. We stained the floors and we varnished them and I love them. What else has been done? What else has been done? Like I said, carpets have been picked and they're going to be fitted soon, hopefully. I'm going to Portugal in a week. Actually, this time next week I will be in Portugal, hopefully out on jet skis or doing something activity wise, but I just hope to be out and about in the sun and the warm weather, and I'm just living for it. I need to route out my summer clothes actually to pack. We're only bringing hand luggage because obviously if it's warm you're only going to need a few little things, but I'm also going to bring a pair of jeans and a little jacket as well because I know that it does get cool in the winter. I know it does get cool in the evening. I've been a busy bee, I guess, and just life has been quite busy, and you know, everything's good. John's sister's birthday was on Wednesday and I was out in his house. It was so lovely because some of her friends were down and I got to meet some of them as well. We got an invitation to a wedding that John is obviously going to be, he's got a groomsman in it, so I officially was on the invitation. I was like, oh my god, I'm on the invitation. Then I got another wedding invitation this morning from my good friend Laura and her fiance or husband to be John. They're getting married in November as well, so I'll have one wedding one week and then another one the next week, and then my cousin is getting married to his boyfriend or his fiance. I find it weird calling people fiancés because sometimes they're not fiancés for very long, but my cousin is marrying his fiance on the 8th of December and I just cannot wait. I'm super excited for that. That wedding is going to be just epicness, and we haven't had a family wedding in a long time, a long time. I think I was a little kid the last time there was a family wedding. So my cousin Colin is getting married and I'm so excited for him and his husband. I can't wait, so excited. Also going to climb the Sugarloaf Mountain very soon with John's dad, so I'm really looking forward to that. I get on so well with John's dad, I mean a house on fire. We get on super well. I get on very well with his sister and his mum as well, obviously, don't get me wrong, but me and his dad, we got this little friendship going on, and we're going up the Sugarloaf. I think his mum may be coming, she hasn't decided yet, but I cannot wait. I've never done the Sugarloaf Mountain in Ireland before in my life, and we just kind of decided last minute that we're going to do it, so I'm very excited for that. Yeah, that's basically all I need to catch us up on. It's not been a very eventful week, but I feel like I have not stopped going all week, and I just can't wait to get this hair done because I'm just seeing these little bits of grossness going on. Oh my god guys, I forgot to tell you my really good news. How could I have forgotten this? I don't know how I forgot this. My baby, as in my car, passed its NCT. Oh, if you don't know what the NCT is, if you're not living in Ireland, the NCT is basically like a certificate that you get, and you have to get your car to pass every year to say that it is roadworthy, and my car passes it with flying colours every year. Every year. I am super proud of my baby, and it passed it the other day, and I was like, this is just incredible. So congratulations to the beast. You passed your test. You are amazing. You're capable of being on the road. And like everybody says to me, your car is like, you know, like it's getting along, it's, you know, it's kind of old, would you not replace it? And I'm like, no, why would I replace it? My car is so roadworthy. It is the most incredible car I've ever owned, and it's safe as houses, passes an NCT all the time. Why would I replace something that is so amazing just because I'm gonna get another car that's newer and more updated? But this beauty saves my life and is just amazing to drive. Like, no, I'm gonna stick with her. I'll stick with her because people will replace their cars numerous amounts of times, and I will still have the beast. She will still be going strong. I'm actually just at my hair appointment now, so I'm gonna go because I want to take a sip of coffee and then get money and the whole lot. So I'll talk to you later. I am out of the hairdressers and my hair is did. Thank you so much, Vicky. You always do the most amazing job, and it feels so sad. I love when I get my hair done. Currently, or at this present moment, I am going to pick up, I think, a salad. I'm going to go to Super Subs. I'm gonna go get a Caesar salad to take away because that's what I am craving, that's what I'm feeling, so that's what I'm gonna get. Then I want to go home and work. That's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, is work. John gave me a text when I was in the hairdresser, and he was like, good news, Aisling, your bed has been ordered, or our bed. Our couch has been ordered, and our mattress, and I'm so excited. So we had an awful issue getting an L-shaped couch because the room that we have to work with is an odd shaped room, and the windows, because they're so old, kind of come right down to the floor, if that makes sense. So your window, obviously you don't want your couch to be covering it because then it's blocking light. So we had like a certain amount of area that we had to work with, and getting a couch to fit into that area was becoming a little bit of a challenge. So John worked it all out, and we got our couch, and we got the perfect couch that I want, the right color. I wanted it grey, and I also wanted high backs on it, so I didn't want those little tiny pillows because that's just not cool. And when I was in the hairdresser, Amy rang me and she's like, Aisling, where are you? And I was like, I'm in the hairdresser. She's like, damn it, I need someone to pick up Callum, that's her youngest son. Because she just got a spray tan. She said she was orange, she didn't want to go into the school with an orange tan, and I was like, damn it, any other morning and it would have been available. By the time I come home from Portugal, we will be almost ready to move in. It'll just be like a case of moving furniture and moving everything out of my home house into the apartment, which is going to be fun. Very fun. So I got my salad. I'm very excited. There's an awful lot of croutons in it. It's a Caesar salad, but I always get black olives, and somewhere in there there's tomatoes. Yummy. That's my favorite salad. And also I picked up 2 cookies from Papa John's because these are amazing. Not quite as nice as Domino's, but I wasn't pulling into Domino's because my nearest Domino's is always mayhem. Mayhem. So I said I'd go to Papa John's and pick up these. Yum! So I was going to retire to my normal seat, but it seems to be occupied at the moment. From Chewy. Well, Chewy, aren't you just the happiest little puppy? And you've occupied my seat. So because I love you so much, you can sit here. I don't mind. You can stay here. He's like, yeah, but I'm not moving anyway, biatch. No way, I am sitting here. I'm very sleepy and I was here first. Even though I know he shouldn't be up on the couches, but when everyone's away, he sneaks in. Have you ever seen the like of it? What sort of little doggy does that? Chewy does that. Yes, he does. I love you. I got an order from iHerb. I placed this order myself, and I got a few bits and bobs in here.
and I just wanted to go through it with you guys. So like I said, I ordered these myself. The first thing I ordered was the Neutrogena makeup removing cleansing towelettes. I'm out of my Nivea ones, and I just said I'll just try something different. I usually pick up either the Nivea ones or the Johnston ones, but I just saw these on the site and I said, sure, may as well try them. They're makeup removing towelettes. Generally, I don't remove all my makeup with like a wipe. I will like clean up mistakes with a wipe. I know, remove lipstick or something like that with a wipe, but not all my face makeup, because I just feel like that would just not be good for my skin. So I picked these up to see what they're like. What the hell is this? Sports protein. I don't think so. I picked up the Real Techniques Miracle Face and Body Sponge. This one is raved about by Casey Holmes. She loves it. Says the big size is great for, like, you know, covering your entire face and everything. So I'm going to wet this and see how big it gets, because I'm really excited to try it. It says you can use damp or dry. I always use it damp. I just feel like it dry doesn't go on as well. And then I picked up loads of Pixie products. I'll go through them in a minute. But the next thing I did pick up was a new butter bronzer, and I got the shade Deep because I just wanted to try the deep one. I'll compare it to my regular bronzer in a minute just to see the actual, you know, colour, how deep it is. But from the website, this one seemed to be the one that would match me the best. Definitely in summertime, and I'm going to Portugal next week, so I'm going to get tanned, and this is definitely going to be my go-to bronzer because I love the OG butter bronzers. They're just amazing. And then I picked up from Pixie, first thing I got was the Glow Tonic. This is the glycolic acid and exfoliating toner. I've heard so many good things about this. It is raved about by everybody who likes Pixie. If it would just focus on it, it would be just epic, but I don't think it's good. There we go. So that's it there. It is, I think, as far as I'm aware, rose scent. Rose is not my favourite scent to put on my skin, but I do realise it has good properties for the skin. And then I picked up the Rose Oil Blend with pomegranate. This is a nourishing face oil. I hear lots of great things about this as well. Again, rose scent, not my favourite scent in the whole world, but like I said, it has good properties. The lower lash mascara was out, so instead of getting that, I went and got the Pat Away Concealer Base, and this is the #1 cream. Definitely too light for me. What was I thinking? Very, very, very light. But I might mix it in with my Born This Way concealer from, oh my god, Too Faced, which is a little bit too deep for me, and I think maybe this might lighten it down, and I'll just give it a test and see what it's like. I got a mud mask. I've used this mud mask before. Really, really like it, as well as their T-Zone mask, which is just bomb.com. This has ginseng and sea salt in it, and I just love it. It's really, really good. Quite affordable also. And then the final thing that everybody raves about is the Makeup Fixing Mist Spray, and never tried this before, so I said I'd give it a go. Why not? And yeah, that's the last thing I got. So this is my regular one, and then this is the deep one. So you can see it's significantly darker, which is what I want. But yeah, I can't wait to try this out on my skin, see what I think of it. I'll swatch both of them and you can see what they're like shade wise. So there we go. You can probably make out the deep one on my skin, but I don't know if you can see the light one right there. It is the same colour as my skin tone at the moment, so I will definitely go with the deep one. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love the scent of this as well. Oh my god, just smells bomb.com. I love how beat up my old one looks. Like, it's absolutely been loved to death, and then the new one looks so clean and fresh and pretty. Also, this is the sponge from Real Techniques, and I'm going to wet it now and see how big it gets, because it's pretty big. You can see that there, guys. It is massive, but I think it's going to get bigger. What do you guys think? Yes. Oh my god, guys, I wet it there. Look how big it gets, and it's so spongy. I can't wait to try this with my foundation. I know it looks so extra, but who cares? It might apply my foundation super quick. I've seen Casey Holmes use it so much and she adores it, so I'm gonna give it a go. I like the original Real Techniques sponge, but I think the Face and Body one might be my new go-to. What do you guys think? I'm sitting here editing a video, and in the middle of the video my computer just stopped working because I never charged the battery, so I'm currently waiting for my computer to charge up. It's very annoying. I don't know why I do this. I like keep working on the computer until it's literally literally the battery is gone, and then I'm like, why do I do this every single time? I'm watching loads of people's vlogs at the moment. Well, that's actually, I was editing and then like watching vlogs and then going back to editing, because that's what I do. I'm addicted to home vlogs at the moment, like people doing like up their house, or you know, renovating or doing up bathrooms. I think it's just because I'm moving into the apartment and I'm just getting really excited looking at everybody doing up their houses, and I'm just like, this is so exciting, even though I'm sure like obviously people find them interesting too, but I am just so sucked into them, and I feel like when I do those videos I think that they're boring, but now looking at these I'm like, wow, they're just so exciting. And like DIY tips and fun things like hacks and stuff like that. So I think I might do some videos like that myself, because I'm just so inspired. Obviously I might keep them on my vlog channel, because I really don't think anybody is going to care about like DIY tips on my beauty channel. We'll keep that all to the vlog. How about that, guys? Okay, I'm over in the apartment, guys, and there's my mosaic all done. It needs to be grouted, and we put the toilet seat on the toilet and obviously hung the towel rail. So yeah, this is everything. Obviously it's evening time now. We also got a rail for toilet roll, and it's going over here, so that is in the car currently at the moment. And then we have like a little rail to go on the door there, so we can hang our bath towel, shower mat, that's it. And then I'm gonna get 2 like hooks up here for my dressing gown. Basically it, the bathroom is completed and all this is cleaned out. And I got special paint to fill in any of the cracks on the, what you call it, the shower, like the shower basin thing. And also John got new filler stuff for around here. And then I'm going to clean down the tiles. If anybody knows any tips, my mum said baking soda is very good for cleaning down tiles like this. It's just they're clean, like, but you know the way like this isn't really as white as I would like it to be. So if anybody knows any cleaning or agents or how you would clean that. There's also shelves going here. Spray painted my mirror, which is just there, so I need to finish that because I only did 1 coat, but I'm pretty happy with the way that the toilet bathroom is come along. John did such a good job with the railing, and oh, I'm just super proud of him. Like, he did such an amazing job. What a guy. What a guy. Obviously it still has to be grouted, but it's really smooth and there's no like jagged edges or anything. We had a little bit of a setback. This little tile popped up, so I had to stick it down. So that's basically it. Done and done.